Hello, my name is Zoe Wright, and this is a walkthrough video for my desktop and mobile apps called My Deals. So right off the bat, when you come on desktop view, this is the screen that you see where you can either choose out of some suggested stores and restaurants, or you can use the search bar to search. And you can see here, if you try to click on something, it will automatically prompt you to this page where you can sign up, and so you can put in all of your information here. And if you already have an account, you can click have an account, log in here, and vice versa, you can click sign up from the login page. Anyway, once we do that, we can click sign up. It will bring us back to this page, and now we'll be able to actually access the site. So first things first, let's go to the dashboard. Let's see what that is like. So here is the dashboard for if you are a logged in member with an account. And these are some of the deals that will show up here. So this column will be your saved deals that you have already saved to your account. This will be recommended deals for you. And these are expiring soon deals over here. And they each have icons that kind of help you understand what each column is for. And if we want to go to the save deals, we can either access that here or we can access it up in the top menu. But we'll just access it here and we can see your save deals. These are ones that you've already saved to your account. And if we want to actually look at an individual deal, we can click on it right here. And that will show us the details for that particular deal. That's where we can save it, and it will take us back to the save deals if we do that. Or we can click on find more target deals. So this is where you can see all of the deals on that particular, for that particular store. So this is everything available at Target. And just to look at a few more things, this is where you can see all of the stores and restaurants that you have saved. And these ones will all show up in your recommended deals and the expiring soon deals when you're browsing through. And of course, the Explore page is where we started. You can go here anytime to find more stores and search for more locations. And here's the My Account page where you can see all of your information and you can edit it here. And so, yeah, there's the desktop view. So now we're looking at the mobile view, and this is where we can really experience the benefit of having both the desktop and the mobile view to work with, because we'll be able to see that all of the save deals that you're browsing through on your desktop, you can also access on your mobile phone while you're in the store or on the go doing whatever. So this is the same Explore page that we get to when we first open up the mobile app. And if you try to click on something, of course, it will have you sign up. You can either sign up or log in. You can do that from either page. Then once we log in, we'll be able to access everything. So we can go to the home, which this is our dashboard, and you can see your saved deals. You can see some recommended deals. And then let's go to the star represents the saved stores and restaurants. And if you remember, these are the same icons that corresponded as well on the desktop view, so that it kind of has that similarity and familiarity between the two platforms. And that kind of helps the viewer understand what they're looking at. So anyway, these are the saved stores and restaurants. You can either click the Explore down here, or you can click Find More, and that will take you to the Explore page where you can find more stores. The heart will take us to our saved deals, and this will also be where we can click on any individual deal and of course go see the deal details. And just like on the desktop view, you can either save it and that will take you back to save deals, or you can click here, find more target deals. And this is where you can see all of the deals for that brand. You can also access that page anytime you're looking at the brand's logo. So if we click Target here, you can see that all the Target deals in one place. And lastly, we will see our account page here as well with all the same information. So as you can see, the two apps on mobile and desktop work together pretty seamlessly to provide you an experience that will allow you to access these deals and find deals for all your favorite stores and restaurants, whether you're at home shopping online or whether you're shopping in store and you're on the go with just your mobile phone. So anyway, thanks for watching and hope you have a good day.